Hey, friends! Good morning. I stand in a beautiful park today. The sun shines brightly above me. I feel so happy right now. Today, I teach present simple tense. This tense talks about daily life. I use it every single day. You hear it in normal conversations. It sounds easy and natural. I promise it feels simple. Now I walk on the park path. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth at 7:10. I wash my face with cold water. I drink a glass of warm water. I make my bed every morning. I wear comfortable clothes. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I drink tea with my family. I check my phone for messages. I read positive quotes daily. I start my work at 9 a.m. I create English videos for you. I practice English grammar daily. I write simple sentences in my notebook. I speak English slowly and clearly. I repeat difficult words again. I learn new vocabulary every week. I enjoy teaching beginners. I love simple English lessons. I walk in the park sometimes. I listen to music while walking. I smile at cute dogs. I watch children play games. I feel peaceful in nature. I take deep breaths. I think about my goals. I plan my videos carefully. I believe in daily practice. I stay positive every day. Now I sit on a green bench. Birds sing sweet songs here. The wind moves the leaves gently. Flowers bloom in many colors. People walk around the park. Some people exercise every morning. Children play near the trees. The sky looks very blue today. Nature gives me good energy. Fresh air makes me calm. I love morning sunlight. I visit this park often. I record videos in quiet places. I choose peaceful locations. I enjoy simple moments. I share my life with you. I talk directly to the camera. I explain grammar in easy ways. Present simple shows habits. It shows routines and facts. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. Birds fly in the sky. Trees grow slowly. Time moves very fast. Life feels beautiful today. I feel grateful for this day. I appreciate small things. I enjoy this peaceful morning. This lesson feels fun already. Now I am at the market. This place looks so colorful. Vendors sell fresh fruits daily. I buy apples every week. I choose red and sweet apples. I check the price carefully. I carry a small shopping bag. I prefer fresh vegetables. I pick tomatoes and carrots. I love green spinach. Shopkeepers smile warmly. People talk loudly here. I hear different languages. This market feels lively. I visit this place often. I support local sellers. I pay in cash sometimes. I count my money slowly. I save money every month. I plan my budget wisely. I cook simple food at home. I eat healthy meals daily. Healthy food gives energy. I avoid junk food mostly. I drink water frequently. I believe good habits matter. Present simple describes habits. It makes sentences short and clear. I use simple verbs daily. English feels easy with practice. I stand in my kitchen. This kitchen looks cozy and warm. My mom cooks dinner nightly. She makes delicious food. She adds fresh spices carefully. The food smells amazing. I help in small ways. I wash vegetables quickly. I cut fruits carefully. I clean the table after dinner. We eat together every night. My family shares stories daily. We laugh during dinner. I drink milk before bed. I watch simple videos at night. I study English grammar daily. I write comments for you. I reply to messages kindly. I sleep at 11 p.m. Good sleep keeps me healthy. Daily routines build discipline. Discipline creates success. I trust the learning process. You improve with practice. Practice makes confidence strong. Confidence grows slowly. I enjoy teaching from home. This kitchen feels comfortable. Home gives me peace. Now I sit in my room. This room feels quiet and calm. I hold my phone camera. I look at you directly. Now we practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up early. You study English daily. He goes to school. She reads a book. It rains in July. We watch movies weekly. They play football daily. Present simple feels easy. You understand it clearly. You speak with confidence. I feel proud of you. Learning English changes lives. Simple steps bring big results. You practice every day. I feel so happy today. This lesson helps beginners. You learn present simple easily. I share real-life examples. You understand daily routines better. Grammar feels friendly now. English becomes less scary. You grow little by little. I see your progress. You shine with practice. Next lesson covers present continuous. That tense shows action now. I upload videos every week. You subscribe for more lessons. You like this video today. You share it with friends. We build confidence together. Learning English feels exciting. I smile at the camera. I say goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.